Testing for tuberculosis has started for hundreds of patients of Lakeview Pediatrics Group. That practice has been heavily criticized by parents who say they have not gotten solid information about the 9-month window their children may have been exposed by an infected staffer. And as Paula Tutman reports, that anxiety continues to grow.
I know. Crystal has a car full of crying, anxious children on their way to the Ascension Medical Facility on Romeo Plank Road for blood draws. She says her own sense of anxiety comes from what she believes is a lack of responsiveness on the part of Lakeview Pediatrics when it came to first getting information out about the staffer confirmed to have tuberculosis with access to patients for 9 months, and then the subsequent lack of information Crystal says she got or didn't get in trying to get her children tested.
And I called the hotline and it was busy. I called the doctors, it was busy. I've also called to see if I could go to urgent care, to get tested right away once I seen it on the news the first day. And they told me that they wouldn't test.
In the last whirlwind 6 days, numerous parents have been contacting Local 4 to complain about what they call a lack of responsiveness on the part of the practice, as well as what many say they perceive to be a lack of a sense of urgency.
They wanted Jalen to get tested, they said, and I said, well, my other two were with me, and they said it was up to you. I was panicking and all that to see if my kids or I have it.
The practice and 2 others in Rochester Hills and St. Clair Shores have been fielding these frantic calls, and the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services is aware of the backlog.
And I do know that they brought in additional staff Friday evening, once they realized that they were not handling the call volume.
But the state health agency is urging parents not to panic.
So if you and your children are not showing the signs and the symptoms, the bad cough, or that lasts more than 3 weeks, a pain in the chest, they're not coughing up blood or sputum, the chances are you do not have active TB disease.
So the testing has started, and thus far the health department says they have not found any subsequent cases. Paula Tutman, Local 4.
All right, thank you, Paula. The state health department does caution, however, that the investigation is early and is possible they will find additional cases of tuberculosis. The TB testing is free for patients who get that referral letter from Ascension Medical Group, and parents who use the Lakeview Pediatrics Group need to look for an email or snail mail notification.